Welcome back to Delightful Scrapbooking. This is C, and I'm here with the swap I've done on the Scrap Shack, and I have that link down below. And my partner was Dymonz, and this is the handmade notebook that she's done for me. Guys, she used the canvas that you can get on rolls. She painted it yellow, white, and some red. She did my name in red, black, and white. She painted these flowers. I really like those. Those are cute. She just did a splatter on the flowers. And these are the brads that she used. And the embellishment that she made. She used the flat back gems. I do not know where she got them, but Dymonz, please let me know because I really like them. They are so cute. On the back of the notebook is red. She took the red from my name and just added it on the back. And on the side, she added diamond dust. And she took a dotting tool to add the white dots, as you see on the front. This is so pretty. She took some time on this, guys. And for the closure, she used Velcro. To bind the book, she did as so. And I never thought about doing a book like this because I thought it was very intimidating. And now I see one up close and personal. I think I'm going to give it a try. So if you want to try one as well, you know, I'll have her link down below in the description box. This is so pretty, Dymonz. Thank you so very much. As for the pen that she altered, she used sheer ribbon. She used the flowers on top. So you can see. And she used diamond dust right here. And she used the same flat back gems that you saw. Sorry, guys. And on the notebook, she used yellow polka dotted ribbon, diamond dust right here. And for the top, she also decorated the top as well in the same flat back gems. So move so you can see. And she used diamond dust and the same polka dotted yellow, white polka dotted ribbon. And for the goodies she gave was scrapbook nails. She gave Making Memories pebble brads. These are so cute, Dymonz. Thank you so very much. And she gave Making Memories Leisure Art collection. And she gave me some alphabet stickers. These are so cute. Okay, thank you all for watching. Thank you for tuning in, for subscribing, liking, rating. Excuse me. And Dymonz, thank you so very much for the package. And I'm looking forward for our next swap. Until next time, guys, y'all have a blessed day. And you take care. Bye-bye.